Hello everyone. Surprise! We just thought we'd give you a little update on everything. We've been with everybody leaving or selling boats, etc. We've had an awful lot of questions.
So many people have
asking
messaged us on all the various different platforms. Are you giving up boating? Because we haven't uploaded a video since the end of December.
Yeah, we're not.
No,
we're not giving up.
There's a lot of people just gone.
Yeah, everyone. Oh damn. Yeah. No, we're not giving up. I mean, really, it all boils down to when I got breast cancer. It just, you tend to just reevaluate everything after the treatment and everything was okay, and
we breezed through it really, but afterwards
it was bang. It was like we'd been hit by a bus. It was very it was alien to us, weren't it? The feelings that we were feeling, but
I think one of the things was, I said to Deb, and touch wood this never happens, if you knew you only had a year left to live, would you still want to continuously cruise and see the kids and grandkids twice in a year? And the answer to that was
no way, no. And we see our grandchildren now once or twice a week, and as you know, we've got a new grandson, Armilius.
The Smiler, we call him.
He is absolutely adorable.
Considering he was 6 weeks early and all the pregnancy problems that Tina had with that.
I mean, we are looking forward to cruising.
Just stop it? Does this seem weird?
Yeah, it does.
This seems really weird because we haven't done this for so long. This was a weekly thing that we've done, and now we're sitting here. That's all back to.
You'll have to tell me if I'm talking too much.
Normally I'm interrupting Dave. Yeah, carry on.
I forgot where I was now. See, this is so rude.
Yeah. Other changes, herbal tea.
Every now and again. That's all. Every now and again. It's not a thing, but we did have a few the other night with some friends.
Yes. We had a hydration session at the weekend.
Yes.
So the rest of the week, and I'm doing a few days at work this week. Yeah.
So to Mark, tonight is a school night.
Yeah, school night, so I never drink on a school night.
So he's at work tomorrow, so yeah. But yeah, back to the cruising thing. What we're going to do is we're going to... we've decided to stay in the east, obviously, so that we are close to family.
For this year.
For this year. So that we're there for the daughter and the grandkids anyway, and the son-in-law. But we're going to be cruising the Great Ouse, the middle levels. We're going to walk down to Cambridge, St Ives, Bedford.
Yeah, as you know, you've seen us. We've ventured on to the Great Ouse twice before, and the furthest point we've got is Ely. Well, we want to get beyond that. We've actually got a show booked in Cambridge at Cambridge Cornish Exchange. We want to get moored up in Cambridge, explore Cambridge. Although I've spent a lot of my life working in Cambridge, it'll be nice to explore it from the river, and then meander back onto the Great Ouse down to, I forget what order they come in, Huntington, St Neots, St Ives, and we can get down to Bedford. So it's going to take us out for a couple of months. We'll come back, regroup, spend some more time with the family, and then head off and do all the other bits of the middle levels that some of the other YouTubers done last year. Explore some of those areas. We've got Bonnie here. She had a haircut the other day and she's been miserable ever since. And Alfie's over there. He's had a haircut and he's happy.
Yeah, so they're the plans. I want to do the River Nene as well again, because we do love the River Nene.
Back onto the Nene. Yeah, absolutely love that.
Yeah, so we are still going to be about, but the vlogs won't be as regular as they were before, because we don't want to bore you with just same old.
Yeah. I just don't want to get into the habit of just putting videos out there for the sake of it. If we've got something interesting to film, and I haven't done any filming, no filming whatsoever. I think I took a photograph of the dogs the other day on the top of the boat with their coats on. I'll put that up. And that's been it, really.
It's just all been work.
Massive, especially to all our patrons who've sort of stuck by us.
Yeah,
and
thank you so much.
Continued support.
I mean, that's another thing. The reality of finances.
Yeah.
You know, you tend to.
Yeah, I don't know where all the savings are gone.
No.
No, but I think we said in some of our very first videos that the idea was we had some savings, but it was the first year to 18 months, just go for it, totally holiday mode. Then wherever we happen to be in the country, point your fingers in, come back. Wherever we happen to be in the country, we'd moor up for the winter, and being an electrician, I'd get some local agency work. Well, that never done that.
Well, it didn't.
No, we sort of stayed in holiday mode for 3 years.
Well, with COVID as well, it was that sort of knocked everything on the head.
I saw a bank statement the other day and nearly fainted. That's all. It's you who spent it. It's you who spent it all.
Yeah. But it's that just brings you back down to earth. So Mark's working
herbal tea is cheaper than beer.
3 days a week. 3 days.
I've been I peaked last week. I've done a 4-day week, and that nearly killed me. But then I've had other weeks where I've only just sort of done a day here and there.
So it just all helps. Plus, it keeps him busy while we're stationary.
Yeah. Unfortunately, Deb is going out of her mind when I'm at work.
When I'm on my own. Oh my God, yeah. I sit here tapping. I mean, there's only so much you can do on the boat to clean. And
the boat has never been so clean.
And then it's like you sit there tapping. You know, yeah. So, but all is well, and just want to thank you all for your questions and like I say, Mark said, your support. It's been wonderful that you're all still out there rooting for us. Yeah. Yeah.
So I think with us, what's the term? You're a continuous cruiser if you're cruising all the time, like Fran and Rich and all the others. If
we've become semi-cruisers,
and
if that is a thing.
A semi-cruiser, yeah. At my age, anything with semi in the title, I should be grateful of.
You put that in.
I'll cut that out.
Oh, okay. Oh, you need to get me a tissue.
You can't say that.
Oh, you can't say that. Oh, there we go.
They weren't expecting that, nor was
I. Not.
Yeah, I suppose some people would have got it, others it would go straight over their head. So I think that's it. Yeah,
I think
so
it is.
although
I just
this isn't a vloggy vlog.
No, just thank you everybody for caring and everything, and we will be back. Yeah.
In the words of Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah, I'll be back. Yeah.
Yeah, so, yeah.
If you like it, press the like button.
Yeah, but I can't remember what we used to say. If you enjoyed this little video,
press the like button.
If you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button.
If you want future notifications of any videos you upload.
Oh, the bell icon.
Yeah, and thanks for watching and see you next time.
See you soon.